yells his name.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it's too far. Come this way. Come this way.
It's coming right for us.
It is.
Coming right for us.
Come on, come on. Oh,
Holy cow.
Don't go over us. Go beside us.
Yeah, fly right here.
Low. See it?
Let me have a see it.
Oh, come on.
Holy cow, it's coming right at us.
Yeah.
Oh, do we have to run outside? You can sort of see it on top. Yeah.
Now look at the little planes, the escort
Hey,
planes.
you see it?
Oh,
You see it?
Yeah, it's banking. Good.
Oh, yay!
It's
Perfect.
It's coming right for us.
Hey.
Woo, CHOC. Look at her, he's waving over there.
cool.
That's pretty cool.
Ah, that's perfect. Are we videoing this?
Yes, all of us in this office.
Yay, Angelo! Woohoo! Woo!
That is neat.
That is awesome.
That is neat. It's flying right over CHOC. Oh, somebody take a picture with the CHOC sign.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so good. Oh, maybe David's trying to get it.
You should get on this
You should
side.
do this.
That is
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah, you want to
Yeah,
set 'em up?
don't lie.
Oh, look at that.
Oh! Woo!
Where's my picture?
There you go. The perfect picture's gonna be right over
Oh,
there.
I need like somebody to get one
Turn on the mic.
copies.
You should get it with the chocolate over there.
Oh, look at that.
There you
Oh,
go.
wow.
Oh,
Did Kim private arrange
I
this?
know.
Oh,
Okay,
That is so cool.
That's
Oh,
amazing.
wow.
Can you hear it? It's so loud.
yes.
Are they gonna come back around?
No, I
Going to
think it's
Disneyland?
going to Newport Beach, I think. I think that was the thing over Disneyland.
That is too cool.
Oh, my.
You could have been in a better place.